morning, Ron Cooks with MyCleanHome.com. I'm here with Brandon Straza of Options
American Option Insurance.
American Options Insurance. Thank you very much. We had a conversation yesterday, and I thought it would be wise for us to put this on video so he can share that information with everyone else. I've been using him for a while now, and every time I use him, I lead with price, and he hates that. So I'm going to give him an opportunity first. You're not a normal insurance carrier, you're a broker. Explain what a broker is versus the standard insurance carriers.
It's a great question. Your standard insurance carrier, the Allstates, the Farmers, the State Farms, great companies. The only thing is the difference between them and us is they can offer you the same thing 7 days a week. It'd be like going to the grocery store and all you can ever order is flank steak. I like flank steak, but I like to have some options, hence part of our name, American Option Insurance. So what we're able to do is we have contracts with all these different A-rated carriers, AM Best rated A carriers, and we go shopping for you. From there, we break it down and we see what the customer's needs are and everything. But you'd mentioned something about the price and why I hate leading with price. Our industry has become so commoditized that I know I'm going to have one of the best rates out there, but that's not what I ever want to lead with. When the customer sits there and they say, Brandon, wow, this rate's great. You're $200, $300, $500 less than the other person. How is that? Why is that? And I'm like, listen, I know that we're going to have a great rate, but if I can't back that up with service, if I can't back that up with claims, and all I am is a rate to you, then I'm not doing my job at the end of the day. Let's say I go take a look at 5 companies, and I know that the customer's expectations are $1,000 a year, and I've got a company that's $950 a year. And that's my highest carrier. My lowest carrier, let's say, is $650 a year. But all the coverages are the same. The companies are equal when it comes to their quality. I'm going to go with that $650, and here's my mentality behind it. If a customer ever wants to know what I make on a policy, I show them. Here you go. This is what I make per policy. Insurance, unfortunately, just like so many things, the rates are always going to go up year after year after year. So if I give that customer that $950 or that $850 policy, and they love it, and they come to us, they might only be with me for a year or two. But I can give them that $650 policy, hopefully earn their auto on top of it. It's going to allow that customer to stay with us for 5, 7, 10 years, hopefully with us being able to help out their family and friends. So I would rather lead with that, but not base it off of, hey, I want you to come to us because of the rate.
Got it.
It doesn't do me any good to be a rate person.
Got it. Now, I also mentioned to you, too, that I was questioned one time because I shared the rates from one house over the other, and they would say, well, he's probably reducing the amount of coverage to compensate for the prices. Address that for me, if you will.
Yeah, and that's one of the main things. Each of the carriers that I'm putting on there, we're going to quote equal coverages, but we're not going to sacrifice coverage just to get a good rate. You're going to have equal or better coverage than where you're being quoted elsewhere. And there's a majority of our policies, 99.99% of them have, where our carriers also have an extended 25% coverage in case for the what ifs in life and everything. Yeah. We are not going to sacrifice coverage. And here's why. You refer someone over to me. A mortgage banker refers someone over to me. The minute that we burn your customer, the first person they're going to be on the phone with is me, and they're going to have a nasty conversation. I don't have time for a nasty conversation. I've got a lovely wife, a son, that I need to spend my extra moments with them and everything. And then on top of it, they're going to call you, Ron. You referred Brandon over to us. He gave us this great rate, but now we know why. Now all of a sudden, you're going to stop wanting to work with us. And other people that we work with will not want to work with us. And that is solely, our business is solely based off of people saying, you need to call Brandon. Our customers saying, you need to call Brandon.
Yeah, I love it. Where are you based out of right now?
So our corporate office is in Dallas, Texas. I founded the company in 2011 in Southwest Florida. We still have a location back there. We do business in 12 states. And, unfortunately I get to travel around a little bit. There's good and bad to that. I miss some family moment times and stuff. But other than that, I get to meet a lot of really cool people.
Okay. Well, good. Well, listen, Like I said, I've been using him for a while. He is very responsive, not only by telephone calls but emails. He keeps you in the loop, and he continues with top of mind after the sale is closed. So he constantly reminds us that, or reminds our clients to reach back to us or ask if we've reached out to them. So a great guy, good character. That's some pretty good accolades. I won't tell you the other stuff, but I do like him a lot. I trust him, and he's going to be my primary guy. So give him a call. Brandon, give me phone number.
Our toll-free number is 888-985-4032. Again, 888-985-4032. Or you can find us at AmericanOptionInsurance.com. Option is singular. And I've got to say, for working with you and Stefan, you guys are awesome. Your customers love you. They can't say enough good things about you, and you take care of them from beginning to end, and even after the fact. I mean, something happens and they're on the phone with the customer, and you're still working. I like to call it hand-holding, and you guys hand-hold the people, because that's what you have to do. That's how you differentiate yourself. So can't say enough about Ron and his team. Give them a call.
All right, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Again, Brandon Straza with American Options Insurance.
Yep, Options singular.
Options singular insurance. Again, this is Ron Cooks from MyCleanHome.com.